Assalamu alaikum, my dear and near viewers and friends. I hope that everyone will be fine, healthy and doing well, and there will be no difficulties in your life. So today, this video will be completely in English, because some my friends says always to me that you are creating and editing video in Pashto and Urdu, but why are you not edit and create video in English? Because there is a minimal people in our area Jani Khel, then they create a video in English. So therefore, today video will be completely in English. And in this video, I will show my crop. I will show my garden. You can see in back of me. I will show my crop. I will show my okra. It means lady's finger crop. That how can I cut it and how I grown up. So complete. Watch this video and enjoy it. Okay, so I will show you everything in these videos. Just watch completely, okay, and share with your friends. So this is the crop of lady's finger. It means okra crop. This is my garden in village area Jani Khel, and I grown up it. Okay, so today in this video I will show you that how can I cut it, how can I sell it, how can I earn money from this. Okay, so it is very easy method that you can earn money from this. Okay, just look and watch the views. Okay, it is a very best, a suitable, a perfect, a cheerful views. You can enjoy it. Okay, so this is my garden. When the first time when I came to my village, to my home, so I start growing the lady's finger. Before 2 months, right now, before 2 months, I grow it up. Okay, so therefore, Alhamdulillah, right now, I received 80 plus kg lady's finger from this. Okay, and in this 80 plus kg, I sold out 40 kg from shopkeeper to shopkeeper. Okay, so you can watch it. So it is a humble request to every students, to every person, to every man, to everybody, that you can do for your family, you can do everything for your family. So I got 80 plus kg from this crop that I grow by my own hand. So it means that almost I save a lot of money for my family, for my parents. Okay, otherwise nowadays the price of 1 kg in shop, in market, in bazaar, in 130 price. Okay, the price is 130. So Alhamdulillah, I received 80 plus kg from these crops, and no one was there with me when I was growing it. So a student is not limited to their education, to their study. But once you came to your village, to your home, you should work for your family, for your mother, for your father, to save their money. Okay? And Alhamdulillah, I earn a lot of money from this crop, from this field. Okay? Why? Because when I cut it a lot of lady's finger, so I go to the shop and I say to the shopkeeper that I want to sell it. So I give to them and he give me the money in revenge. Okay? So today I will show you that how can I cut. And after that you will enjoy. Okay? Okay friend. So I took some gap in my work. So remember always, this is my advice to you, that whenever you work, you should take gap. For example, if you are student, if you are a driver, if you are student, if you are studying for 4 hours, so after 1 hour, you should gap for 15 minutes. It will fresh your mind. Always when you work hard, when you do exercise, so you should gap. So now I took the gap and I made a sharbat for myself. So why I make the sharbat? I make the sharbat for myself just because of this, that a lot of sweet is released from my body. So therefore Now I want to drink it, okay? It will complete my energy. So now I will show you that how can I cut it. So dear friends, this is the crop, and I'm going to show you everything. So for example, I have a bucket right now, okay, and I keep up inside the crop, okay, you can watch it, okay. So a lot of lettuce finger are available, and now I will cut and I will show you, okay. So I took this bucket, okay, almost this is a 4 kg, okay, this is a 4 kg lettuce finger, and today we will cook it in my home, okay, and I will show you everything, okay. So look here, right now I'm going to cut it, okay. This is the first one, this is the second one, okay, and also this is the third one, okay. I will show you everything, don't worry about this. This is the third one. So this is just because of Allah. Allah has provided us a fertile land, but just because of this, the reason is this, that there is scarcity of water. There is no scarcity of water, but the government is careless. The government do not take any action about the waters. Then don't create and construct the dams, the rivers, the canals. Therefore, in Jani in Bannur district, there is a one dam, and the dam is totally dirty, okay. So I humbly request to the government of Pakistan, the provisional government of Pakistan, CM of KPK, that construct some dam for Jani people. We are very hard work people. We do hard work, but we don't have any opportunity. We don't have any facility for water, okay. Otherwise, our land is very fertile, but there is scarcity of water. The government is totally careless, and they don't take any action about this problem. In 1960, the president of Pakistan has construct a dam for Banu Baka Khel Laki Marut people, but now there is some problem, and they don't want to flow up the water, okay. So I will show in this video everything. Enjoy with me, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, like this video, and share with friends. That how a simple, a lone student can earn money from the lettuce finger. It means okra. So once there are a lot of students that they just came to village, they start enjoying. They go outside from home, and they started gathering with friends. Yes, you should gather, but you should work for your family. So don't waste your time, and I will continue, okay. Don't worry about this. So I will show you everything, okay. So this is the fresh things, okay. There is no chemical on this, okay. I will show you everything. So okay, look right now. I'm showing you the whole gardens, that what kinds of fruits and vegetables I grow up, okay. I'll show you everything, just like this. Look here. This is totally fresh things. There is no chemical, okay. Look toward it.